What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm excited because I'm finally the client. I'm about to eat it up. And today I'm going to be doing a half wig from HerGivenHair. And it's about to give body yaddy yaddy yaddy. Y'all know I love big hair. So this is my natural hair, y'all. It has grown a lot. And y'all want to say it's because of prenatals, baby. But it's giving genetics. Like, it really is. Yeah, I'm just really excited for this transformation, y'all. I don't be doing my hair. But this is something that is super quick and easy that I can just boom, bada, bam, bam. And that's what I've been needing in this moment. So I'm super excited for you guys to see this transformation. Just keep on watching. I don't know why I winked at y'all. So first we're going to start with a quick unboxing of the product, y'all. This was definitely the best packaged wig that I've ever received in my hair career. They do not play, they gets down. So just a brief introduction about HerGivenHair. They are a brand that focuses on textured hair, which mimics the true kinky blowout, type 4 and type 3 hair texture of natural hair. And I love their units because it makes it so much easier to blend with any type of leave out that you have. So today in this package, they sent me a half wig in their kinky blowout texture, and this is in 20 inches. And today I'm going to be using this half wig to create a flip over style with some voluminous curls, lots of volume. And they also give you a booklet that will show you other different ways that you guys can style this hair, as well as hair care and maintenance tips. Really love that. And in addition to that, they also give you a bag where you can basically store your unit. They were very intentional with the packaging, and I really love that. I was super impressed, and it did make it kind of like an experience to open the packaging, so I definitely give them 2 thumbs up on that. So just getting into the construction of the unit, like I said, it is a half unit, and they do give you some extra clips to sew in there. But inside of the unit, I believe there's 4 clips, 2 at the one at the top, sorry, 1 at the bottom, and then 1 on each side. It also comes with a drawstring, and I'm just trying to show you guys the texture of this, guys. I'm gonna do a close-up here for you guys so that you guys can see the texture in this unit. It is gonna mimic your hair when it is on a fresh blowout. So I really love that. And today I'm actually going to be wand curling this unit before applying it to my hair to give it some big voluminous curls. So to create those curls, I am going to be using my Red by Kiss wand. I believe this is 1 inch, and I just basically wand curled the entire unit. It holds a curl beautifully, guys. This is me without doing any type of hairspray or anything like that, so I really love that. And I'm basically going to just wrap it around and wand the entire unit. This is going to create some really big voluminous curls. You guys know, if you watch my channel, that I love big hair, and so I just basically did this to the entire unit. This whole process here took me about 15 to 20 minutes. So you just want to make sure that you do this before actually putting it on your head. It makes it so much easier. All you need really is a wig head and some T-pins, and you can recreate this look. Next, I'm gonna go in and part my hair off for that leave out, and I'm basically just going ear to ear, but I did definitely measure this out before I braided the back of it down, because I just wanted to make sure that I was leaving out enough hair and that I was leaving enough space for the wig to go on. Like I said, you can definitely tighten it with the drawstring, but I wanted it to sit on my head perfectly. So basically what I'm gonna do is tie up the front half of my head after I do that ear to ear part. I'm just gonna show you guys how I did that part. It's obviously not perfect, but it doesn't really have to be. And then I kind of just put this in a big braid so that I can kind of measure out where the unit is gonna go. That way, if I need to take out or put away more hair, I can do that super easy. So here I'm letting you guys see me kind of measure out where that unit is gonna go, and I'm not gonna really tighten it, but I did put the clips in just so I can see where it sits and make sure that it sits perfectly. And y'all, once I threw this on for that little second, I already knew it was gonna hit. But after I made sure that the spacing was cool, then I went ahead and did 4 big jumbo braids. If you guys are not a braider, then the great thing about this unit is that it's not something that's super straight and flat, so your braid down doesn't have to be super straight and flat down. So 4 big dookies will work, or you can do them a little bit smaller if you want to. So the next step is I'm going to be wand curling my leave out so that it can match that back texture. And immediately I started to realize that if I was going to use this bigger wand, it was not going to match the texture in the back, just because my hair it doesn't curl as well when I use the bigger wand. So I knew that I was gonna have to switch that up if I wanted it to match the back. So I immediately went in with a smaller wand to give me a tighter curl, because remember, I'm gonna be combing these curls out and I really needed to mimic the texture of the hair in the back. So by doing that, it definitely gave me a little bit more definition in my leave out, which is what I was going for and what I needed. So I would definitely recommend having a couple different wand sizes on hand. Everybody's texture is different, but this is just kind of what worked best for me. What I also love is that I can wand curl this straight off of a blow dry, because like I said, this unit is made to mimic our natural hair texture, so I don't have to silk press my hair out or anything. I can just do a quick one pass wand curl on it and it will match the texture of the back. Now, to wand the entire front of my head, it took about 10 minutes, and I'm really stressing the time, guys, because I am definitely somebody who needs a style that is going to be quick and on the go, and this half wig is literally just that. Not only am I pregnant, so I just don't have time to sit in the mirror and do my hair, but I also have a toddler, so I'm all about convenience. And what I love about this unit is it doesn't require me to worry about a lace. It doesn't require me to glue a lace down. I can literally just do my leave out, pop this on, and be out the door, and that is absolutely what I need. We are going to be approaching the hot season soon as well, so it's very important, y'all, that y'all not outside with y'all lace lifting and pilling up. Y'all get y'all something easy to do. So yeah, in total, if you prep your mannequin, your wig on the mannequin head, and then you prep your natural hair, so far this would be about a 30-minute style, which is amazing for me. I can do that really, really quickly, and I'm excited for you guys to see this. All right, y'all, so it's time to put the unit on. So it's super easy. They have clips in here. They also have a drawstring. Let me make sure y'all can see those. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this on. So I'm sticking the comb in at the top first. I'm gonna pull this around. There's two combs at the side. I'm sticking those in. Last, I'm gonna do the comb at the bottom. I'm gonna stick that in, and then I'm gonna take this drawstring, if you guys can see it here. I'm gonna tighten it just to make sure the unit is secure. And I love already that I can feel it super tight. And this is before I before I comb the curls out. You guys can see that it's already blending super well. So that's good. So now that the unit is on and it's secured, I'm just gonna kind of play around with the curls to blend it. So already at the top, you guys can see there's this little space here. And I'm basically just gonna take my hands and finger detangle my hair over that. I'm also gonna finger detangle these wand curls, including with my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it already. And y'all can see it's just creating a big look. And I'm kind of gonna go with like a side doo-wop thing. And wow, y'all. Now I'm trying not to comb out my natural wand curls too much, because if I do, my hair will get really, really frizzy. And I didn't hairspray it, but guys, look how bomb this is blending. Wow. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through this hair a little bit more so these aren't so defined. And remember, this is two different wand sizes. You can kind of see a slight disconnect, but you can always kind of take your natural hair and kind of push it through like that. And oh my God. All right, let's see that back section where I blended it in, and here from the back. Guys, I'm in love. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love. So to wand the top, it took me about 10 minutes. And to install it, I mean, you guys literally seen it took 30 seconds. So yes, let me know what you guys think. I'm feeling it. Oh my gosh. And I can always go back like some of these pieces and just redefine them a little bit. If I did hairspray it, it would have definitely stayed a little bit more defined, but you can always go back through and kind of redefine some of those pieces if you comb it out a little bit too much. But guys, I'm loving this. Oh my God. Yes. So if you guys are looking for something on the go, description section, y'all. Don't play with it. Oh my gosh. HerGivenHair, you did your big one. This is definitely gonna be my everyday go-to unit. Y'all know, like I said, I like to throw something on and be out the door. And this is it. What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?